Yeah, welcome to Planter Garden TV. How you guys doing today? Today we're going to talk a little about the bell pepper and the bell pepper plant. I've been growing these type of bell pepper for a very long time, so I have a lot of experience growing them. And what I've learned, I've seen videos before where people say that it's important to take off the pepper, have too much pepper, and you need to take them off. You need to do this because the pepper is producing too much pepper. No, my experience is allow the pepper plant to do its job. What's gonna happen is the pepper will start. You see these? You see how these start turning yellow? It's gonna drop for itself. All right, the pepper gonna know, balance itself and know exactly what it's gonna keep and what it's not gonna keep. So when they tell you that the pepper is producing too much and you need to do this and you need to do this, let the plant do its job. If you notice here, this is the top of the plant, and if you notice, you're gonna see a lot of peppers even blossom to the top. This is the top, and we actually in November, and this is the top. But if you come down here, what you're gonna be seeing, you're gonna see where this one is releasing this one is really, so the plant does the job for itself. You don't have to do too much things to these plants. They already know what to release and what to keep. Sometimes you see a fruit tree loaded with fruit, but it only keep a few. It only keep as much as it would like to. So sometimes I personally allow these plants to do what they got to do. I never try to take off no plant from the pepper. I just allow the pepper to do what it does. And these pepper, for the people who really follow me, know that my bell pepper them produce in abundance and produce huge pepper. Look what's going on here, huge pepper. You see? All from the ground down here pepper, all of them loaded. I never try to take off peppers because the pepper tree have on too much. No, what that does, allow the pepper to do its job. Look in here also, we in November. Look how much pepper blossom. Look how much pepper blossom. Look how much pepper blossom. Look how much pepper. Allow the plants to do its job. A lot of people grow things their own way. This is why sometimes you got to follow your own instinct and you got to learn from your mistakes, because many people have their own experience, and that doesn't mean that their experience is gonna work for you. So sometimes just pay attention. So instead of you run and try to picking off the plants, them no, allow the plant. The plant will release what it don't want and what it wanna keep. All right, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoy. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And if you have a comment about bell pepper, please state it in the comment section and let's talk about bell pepper, because I've been growing these things for years. And if you notice, the frost is getting ready to come, and if I don't prepare these plants, well, I'm gonna lose a lot of peppers. Allow the plants them to produce their peppers, and they're gonna just do their job. And that doesn't mean they're not gonna produce, and that doesn't mean they're not gonna produce big peppers. All right, thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.